G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. Today we're starting our formwork and we're moving on with ensuring all of our load bearing points are in the exact right position that they need to be as we're going along before we start any of the actual construction. So this, if you have a look over here, is us doing our formwork, and what we need to make sure of is that all of our pressure points where we've got columns or downward pressure, that each one of those is taken up in the pad footing that we've already set out.